Hey guys, it's Alex here, and in today's video, we are going to be making a DIY spot welder part 1. For this video, you will need, for this part, you'll need a switch, like this one, a micro switch. Doesn't have to have the 2 leads on it just yet, but you'll need it. Sorry about that. Next thing you'll need a piece of wood, and you need to arrange it in a formation just like this. Alright, you got that? Good. Next step, fold this like this, then put your micro switch in between and hot glue it down, of course, and you've got yourself a foot switch. Now you see that little screw there? I just got another piece of wood and I just cover that up, and that's all you need to do. See you in the next video. Bye.